Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Everything is here. Today I will show you how to hack Skyforce Reloaded. Just follow, just let's see my phone is rooted or not. I am going to open the app, check root checker. See, now I am verifying my root. See, root actually is not properly installed in on this device. This means I had no root on my phone. Now I will show you how to download that Skyforce in how to hack Skyforce. Sorry. Now just I have this application AppVN here. I will I will show the link for this app in the description. Now you can see this is a foreign app. Now you can see this app contains foreign language messages, foreign language in it. Now you can see on the left top corner there are three lines. Click it. Now go to KaiDart, that is settings, from which you can change the language. Now go to KaiDart no go, where you can see team weight is written. Just click on it and now switch to the language or in English. Just switching on the language, you can easily change the language for the whole app so that you make your browsing easier. Now you can see I have changed the language. You can clearly see it. Now go to the icon right top corner, that is search. Now input Sky Force Reload. And click to the right icon on the top corner for searching it. Do not do not click on the hint reloaded. Just click on the right icon top corner, that is searching button. Now searching begins. See, now top from the fifth there is Skyforce loaded mod. I have already installed it. You have to just go to there and click to click to it. Now you see I have update but you will get download option there. Then after downloading it, you have to install that app. After installing that app, after installing that app, now see, now I am downloading again it for your information. Close the this pop-up window, not continue it, again close it, then executing download. Now downloaded file,
I've already downloaded that.
since I was already downloaded. Now I move to downloaded portion where you can see two icons, but we have to press the more key option. Now see, now we have Skyforce loaded. In here I'm going to install it, initiating for the install. Now see, it is installing. When you install the app and open it, you will see this. Now you have to just click on the green pop-up. After then you will see a message.
बेबी अब बताओ
After then you will see this. When you open the app you will see this permissions, but you cannot allow it in this app. So you have to close the game, then go to the specified direction. I will show you how to allow these permissions. Go to settings, then click to the install apps, then go to Skyforce loaded, then go to app permissions. There it is. Now click to the storage. I have already clicked it because I have download that app already. Now come back, close all windows, then again open your installed app. Then you will see something downloading there. Let it download the data files in it. When you complete your all data files downloaded, then exit from the app, then relaunch the app. Now I will show you. i am I have done it already. I'm going to relaunch the app. See, you will see just this logo here, iDreams. Before that you have seen the website logo. Now see, I'm clicking to the hangar shop. Now see you, I have 99864591 stars. That is limited. I have already buy all the missiles, magjet and big cannons. Thank you guys. Please do subscribe my channel for more updates. Everything is here. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get latest update from my channel instantly. And please like and comment your views. Thank you.